Hi guys, Qualcomm will officially release its latest flagship processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, in early December. This is also Qualcomm's first 4nm chip, and it has been attracting a lot of attention in recent times. There is a race to the finish line for the brand to launch this chip. For many weeks, it appears as though the Xiaomi 12 will be the clear winner. However, lately, Motorola has been releasing some teasers indicating that it has a chance. The Xiaomi 12 series should arrive before the end of the year, and the trusted Leakster digital chat station has provided more information regarding its camera setup. They claimed the new series would tweak the camera design and bring a 50MP main shooter in two separate. The rumors are Xiaomi will bring back a full HD Plus screen in the family, which would be a downgrade from the 1440p panels in the Mi 11 series, but perhaps it will be reserved for the vanilla 12. The design also will remain unchanged from the predecessors, slightly rounded edges and a single punch hole in the top left corner. The leakster said that while Xiaomi will stick to the same fast charging solution, this time it will enable 100 watts, something that is already happening in the 11T series. The optical fingerprint scanner underneath the old will be improved, and from what we understand, it will have a bigger area of operation. The Qualcomm event is just a week away, and once the chipset is known, Xiaomi will start revealing more details about its upcoming flagship series. In addition, Xiaomi 12 series will also arrive with MIUI 13 out of the box. A few days ago, when Lei Jun communicated with netizens, he said that MIUI is making every effort to improve and will definitely do better. According to Lei Jun, MIUI 13 will arrive at the end of the year, and he hopes it will meet everyone's expectations. Thank you for watching, see you soon.